Welcome to our Logical Reasoning series. Whether you're a student, a debater, or simply curious about the art of reasoning, this video is for you. Let's start by understanding what an argument truly is. An argument is a discussion or discourse where there is a disagreement or differing viewpoints. It involves presenting reasons or evidence to support a particular claim or position. Now, when it comes to evaluating arguments, we encounter the concept of validity. An argument is considered valid if the conclusion logically follows from the premises or the reasons provided. In other words, if the conclusion is guaranteed based on the premises, the argument is valid. For example, consider the following argument. Premise 1. All birds have wings. Premise 2. Penguins are birds. Conclusion. Therefore, penguins have wings. In this case, the conclusion logically follows from the premises, making it a valid argument. On the other hand, an argument is considered invalid if the conclusion does not logically follow from the premises. In such cases, the argument fails to provide a strong or sound reasoning. For instance, let's examine this argument. Premise 1. All cats have tails. Premise 2. Dogs have tails. Conclusion. Therefore, dogs are cats. In this case, the conclusion does not logically follow from the premises, rendering the argument invalid. It's important to note that validity does not determine whether the argument is true or false. It merely examines the logical structure and coherence of the argument itself. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of diagramming categorical syllogisms. Diagramming categorical syllogisms, or DCS for short, is a powerful tool used to test the questions and statements within an argument by creating visual diagrams. By employing DCS, we can better understand the relationships between categories and identify any logical fallacies or inconsistencies within the argument. It provides a structured approach to analyze the argument's structure and validity. As we conclude this video, remember that logical reasoning is a valuable skill that helps us navigate discussions, debates, and everyday situations. By understanding the concept of validity and utilizing tools like DCS, we can enhance our ability to critically evaluate arguments and make well-informed decisions. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of general topics related to logical reasoning. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Keep honing your logical thinking skills, and until next time, stay curious and embrace the power of reasoning.